Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry for being away for so long. I live in Iran and with everything going on here, the war and the protests, I was without access to the internet for about 3 months. To make matters worse, my $2,000 laptop was stolen last week and it's been pretty tough time for me. But I don't have any other choice and I have to keep going and do my best. Thanks for hanging in there and sticking with the channel. Let's get started. If you remember, in the last step, we sprayed fast primer over the body so we could reveal the surface imperfections. As you can clearly see, the body surface is still very uneven. For the first pass, I'm using 240 grit sandpaper. I'm also using a little water to make the sanding process easier and faster. And for the area that are hard to reach with the orbital sander, I sanded them by hand. Okay, the sanding is complete and at this stage we need to fill the surface that are lower than normal with putty. And the best option for this job is polyester putty. This type of putty is two component and dries very quickly and has a good adhesion to the surface. After applying the putty and filling the dents, we allow the putty to dry so that we can sand the surface again and achieve a smooth dent-free surface. and this is the result of our work. Now this surface is ready to be sprayed with a primer. For the priming the surface, this time I am using a 2-component polyurethane primer. Since this is going to be our final surface and we need the final paint to have a good resistance, we can't use fast drying primer anymore. After 24 hours, the primer was completely dried. Now, if there is a problem with the surface, we can correct that area with soft sandpaper. So the body is ready for the final paint. For the final paint, I want to paint some black and white strips under the wing to improve the visibility of the plane from the distance. And choose gray paint for the body. And this is the final result. The body paint is finished and the plane is ready to be set up. I think that's enough for this part. In the next part, we will work on setting up the plane and the control setting.